Conceived by museum leadership and powered by philanthropy, each day, renovations of the Penn Museum's renowned ancient Egyptian galleries are one step closer to completion. Curator Jen Wegner and head conservator Molly Gleason give us a glimpse of what's happening behind the scenes. So just to get started, can you talk about the conservation approach that you'll be taking versus maybe the conservation approach that was taken in previous versions of the exhibitions?
When the Egyptian wing was first installed in 1926, that was a very different time. It's almost 100 years ago. Our field was just in the formative stages. A lot of the interventions in the past we find now to be pretty invasive. But we learn a lot from those past practices so that we can make more informed decisions about the care of the collection today.
I became interested in ancient Egypt when I was in 6th grade. I think a lot of kids go through that ancient Egypt wanting to be an archaeologist phase, and I just never grew out of it.
So, as a curator, what are you hoping to see in the new gallery space?
I'm most excited about being able to present this fantastic collection that we have in the way that it deserves. We have such wonderful material that I think the way in which it was presented before didn't give people the full understanding of what it was they were looking at. Whereas the way our galleries are being designed now, we're putting pieces in context.
So visitors will walk into the Upper Egypt Gallery through this doorway, and they'll be met face to face on the other side of the doorway with these monumental gateway elements that are 30 feet high right in front of them. And we'll get a sense of what it was like to walk into Palace.
It's incredible.
And this is the other thing that I think it's what we would like to get across is that the ancient Egyptians that you're seeing, they were people like we are. So they lived, they loved, they had similar experiences that we did. They're individuals, and I really think that's important to highlight.
Out of sight, these renovations continue. But with each passing day, the future of the Egyptian galleries comes closer, promising a renewed connection to the past for countless researchers, students of history, and thousands of public visitors from across the globe. We hope to see you there.